All right, I'm going in. This is the beginning of my sunroof rebuild. So this marks, I don't know, July 1st or so. This thing is a necessity. I need it. My wife is really just itching to have it. So am I. I want that sun shining through every now and then. So I started taking out these plastic tracks. I don't have the metal J hooks on mine, and I had the plastic tracks. So I'm gonna just go ahead with what was here as original. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing all the seals. I guess there's a seal in the front, I believe, and there's one in the rear. I don't know. I've seen, you know, blow-ups on Wolfsburg West of what's involved, but here we go. Maybe you guys can watch me break something. Okay, let me put you down here. And my battery is flashing. See, I told you. Okay, yeah, I'm in the middle of an oil change as well. It needs it bad. Okay. Let's see if I can prop you up here. All right. Okay, that was successful. No breakage. I have my trusty reversible screwdriver that was in my toolkit. I'm gonna go ahead and take the handle off because I can't open it any more than this. So I'm kind of hoping that, I don't know if I need to do this, but we'll see. And got another thing here. Maybe I don't need to do that one. Okay, here, how about this? I'll bring you back in a second. This is my latest find. We call it a transfer station in town, or the dump. And this was about to go in the metal dumpster. I said, you know what? I need a nice tripod. This thing is old, and man, they don't make things like this anymore. And there was only one part on it that was kind of seized up. All these legs adjust real nice. And good old, since we're talking about it, good old silicroil came into my life probably 15 years ago. I use it here and there, and I was told also that it's the best there is. So I too have used silicroil while we're speaking of it. Back to the video. Alright, moving on. This thing was all seized up. Now it's good. Star D. Let's get mounted on here. You can have a bird's eye view. Alright, how's that view? Looks pretty good from here. Okay, cables are loose and everything's kind of freed up. Let's see if this thing will just move on its own. Hack it, cut it, soak it in PB Blaster, whatever. I want to go overload with this because, well, I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. That is lovely. Now we're talking. You want to see what's in the tracks? Let me get you up here. Whoa! Oh, sorry. A little tight in here. Okay. That's step one. Shaky cam. Look at the sunroof. Oh, this is gonna be a dream. So dreamy. I'll show you what I'm working on. I haven't seen anyone do this, but because my headliner is in such good shape, to me anyway, a couple little tears, but generally for this car, I think it's pretty nice. Anyway, so I am trying to find the little clips that are holding that headliner piece in. I haven't seen anyone else do it. They usually just start the video when the headliner piece is already out of the car, so I'm trying to save that piece. So let's carry on. Got a couple of them. Just trying to very gently find the clips. Just like that. There's 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay, so I'm hoping that that's really all that holds it. Yep. Now what? Ah, look at that! Ha! I didn't know how that was gonna happen. Right on. Okay. Okay, so sunroof goes back. Let's see if I can nicely get this thing out of here. Careful. Whew. Look at this. I don't know if anyone's seen this before, but this is, I mean, I know you've seen it. Some people have seen it. I guess you just kind of flex it out. Look at the craftsmanship that went into this. Pretty cool. Lasted all this time. It's still tight. Oh, fingers crossed I can save this thing. I think it just kind of, you just kind of get it out of here. All right, hold on. Let's see. A little worn away on this side. This is the passenger side here. Over the years, I guess. I don't think, it probably wasn't used that much. But I think it'll go in just fine. This is the back edge here. Center. That's the front edge. That's a little exciting to me. All right, so you're looking at the inside of the sunroof, and you guys have probably seen it if you're searching this for some help on your sunroof. But this one's never been touched. So once you take that headliner piece off, this is what you're looking at, and this is how it's got to be. These are your cables. This has got to be here, and I can move this back and forth now, but I'm gonna start taking these off so I can just remove the sunroof. This is like the only spot of the headliner that's a little messed up, so I'm gonna see if I can heat this up a little bit and stretch it maybe, but no big deal. All right, I'm gonna take this off. All right, you're on the passenger seat. Hopefully you don't fall off. So, okay, I thought I had to take this nut off, but actually you just pull on this part here. Can you see that? Yeah, that's it. Learn as I go. All right, so sunroof is ready to come out. I'll take you with me. I'm kind of documenting this a little bit just because I don't know if I said this before, but I'm trying to like preserve the patina of the headliner. So anyway, so this is that seal I think I'm gonna need. The back edge here. There's nothing left of it. Okay. It's out. It's gonna be out. Gonna be out for at least a week or so. So I get more parts in. So now I'm gonna take these rails out so I can free up. Like this side moves fine, but this one does too, but the remainder of the cable is still in there. Okay, there they are. Those are the rails. Now it's time to clean the hell out of these tracks, and probably gonna lube them up with something, silicone or something. That cable is completely stuck in there, so we'll get back to that.
We are at the store, right, honey?
Yep, she's in her hometown. This is Old Saybrook, Connecticut. We're going to the beach. 4th of July. Whoa! Little adjustment still.
Oh shoot.
Oh boy.
God, I haven't driven one of these in years.
How long has it been?
Oh Christ. 1974 maybe?
The horn needs a little work still.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is wonderful. God. It's such a shame they got rid of that.
Yeah. Just a little bit of. Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, buddy, stop sign.
Train's here. Pretty awful view here, huh? Definitely don't belong on this road. It's not that it's private, it's just we live in between two towns, and we were once named Scruffy and Proud because we have two very uppity up class towns on either side of us. But little do they know, we have the best town. All these properties have water views. Back home. Time to park it. Good. We got thunderstorms coming. One of our favorite parts of summer is making a little tasty treat with blackberries. These are pretty much ready to eat. Okay, so the next step is to mash these blackberries. Yes, they're not completely ripe, but we can't help it. We're ready to eat them. Alright, like a teaspoon of sugar. Half and half. Maybe a quarter cup of half and half. And then, I don't know, half a cup of milk. And then just slurp it down and enjoy it. It's nice and creamy.